Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk about Split Nosebowl hardware. You call up Fletcher, you tell them you want a Split Nosebowl kit. They'll sell you the paperwork. You call up me or the GPA and you order the Split Nosebowl hardware, and it comes with all the metal and the instructions, which you get from Fletcher, the diagram, and all the bits and pieces that we provide. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to talk a little bit more about the Split Nosebowl. There's basically two kinds of people: those who've never had one, then you need it and you wish you had it, and then you put one in and you never really need it again. It's a very convenient mod to the airplanes. It's probably the most convenient mod we have on our airplanes. So stay tuned while we talk a bit more about the hardware. And there you go, a bunch of kits made up for the GPA. So stay tuned for some more fun.
So we would like to ask you, please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
So here's a bunch of kits all made up in a tub. Made up 23 kits on Thanksgiving Day. So happy Thanksgiving, everybody. But that's what a bunch of hardware kits for the Split Nosebowl look like, all made up. And we keep all the hardware in a special bin, and then you get the fun of getting the paperwork and counting out all the little bits until you get the required number of each of them, and that's how you make up the hardware kit. So it's a lot of fun counting all that hardware out, making sure you're accurate, and you'll see a couple of tricks that we use along the way. Now, along with all the bits of hardware, you get 4 pieces of metal, 2 inches wide, and there are the 4 lengths, and they have an inner, the outer, and the center pieces, all wrapped up in the instructions that we send to you. And there's an old copy we keep in the box just for keeping track of all the hardware. So within that tub of hardware where we keep those instructions, we have them all in Ziploc bags and little gelato jars. We have the pop rivets, we have the skin rivets, we have the nylock nuts, we have the 2-legged anchors, and we have the stainless steel screws and the Tinnerman washers, all in the kit that you get to have the fun of counting all that stuff out. And we'll actually probably give you 1 or 2 extras instead of shortchanging you one, because that hardware is kind of hard to come by. So, ladies and gentlemen, there's what the hardware kits look like for the Split Nosebowl. So I hope you found all that useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a fun day with your Grumman, and happy again Thanksgiving on 2024.